Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers, and now let's proceed to the announcement of major awards for Mr. Cosmopolitan 2025. And now let's give you our winners of our Mr. Cosmopolitan 2025 title. Let's begin with our Mr. Cosmopolitan 4th runner-up. It is none other than Miss Cosmopolitan France. Our next award is Mr. Cosmopolitan 3rd runner-up, and that is for Mr. South Africa. Our next Miss Cosmopolitan 2nd runner-up is Mr. Vietnam. And our Mr. Cosmopolitan 1st runner-up is none other than from the Philippines. And the winner of Mr. Cosmopolitan 2025 is none other than Mr. Taiwan. Isang historic night talaga para sa mga kandidato, lalo na sa ating pambatong mula sa Pilipinas na nakakuha ng 1st runner-up placement. Truly a world class. Congratulations to all the winners and the finalists of Mr. Cosmopolitan 2025. Isa na namang patunay na ang pageantry ay hindi lamang tungkol sa looks, kundi sa confidence and advocacy at personality ng bawat kandidato. Maraming salamat sa panonood.